That means the highest cell absorbance. And this is not very good, okay, because we don't know the live and viable, viable, non-viable. But based on this question, question number 3, okay? I take out the question number E because originally I want you to do K equals 1 divided by G. I want you to do this originally. I want you to do this guy. Then in the second year, I realized most people are not good at math. So then I said, okay, forget about it. I used to have that one. I used to have the question number 5, E. And I had said 1 year there are 150 students, there's only like barely people get it. And I think they get it, maybe they just guess somewhere. So I said, okay, I'll take it out. Then later on, I checked with somebody because the log, those maths, some of you didn't even learn yet. So I take out that part. Okay. And now here the endospore again. What are the bacteria have endospore? Clostridium and Bacillus. Is that right? Okay. Very easy. What is this one? Is that monotrichos? So when you do this, you're going to ask yourself, what is petrotrichos? What is levotrichos? What is amphitrichos? Okay. Koch postulates, do you know it? You know it in the slides. Okay, now some of you are going to ask me, are you going to remember all those persons' names during the history? Yes, some of them important. Who observed the microorganism? It's easy, Antonio van Leeuwenhoek, I talk about that. Who discredited the concept of spontaneous generation? Louis Pasteur, is that right? Who is credited developing the first vaccine? Edward Jenner. I didn't talk about the question number 6. I didn't talk about this year. It's Martinus Bowring, the question number, the first one. A German scientist created enriched media and selected media. I take that slides out because it's not really true. I go back to see the others' material. It's like people debate about what his contribution about that. So I take it out. Okay. Question number 8, you don't have to worry. That's nitrogen fixing. We don't talk about that anymore. And the Fanny Hesse is the first one to recognize agar is a solidified microorganism media. It's true. Is that right? So almost all there. And what do you have to do? Using these material to study. Once you do these, let's say, I'll say it one more time. Question number 45, let's say. When you do this question, you're not going to only know this, okay? You're going to go back to look at these slides. They give you the idea, what is mesophile, what is thermophile, what is hyperthermophile, okay? Then when we talk about here, you know allotorrent anaerobic. Then you need to know what it means macroalophiles. Which bacteria is macroalophiles, by the way? Is that Campylobacter we talk about? So those things we need to know. Okay, why they cannot survive with oxygen? Because no SOD in the capsules. Okay? So these are the things I want you guys to get it. Examination 1 is not difficult. I'm going to tell you. Most of you are very, very good. Examination 2, when we talk about the passages, there's a lot of memory. Examination 3 talk about biochemistry and the genetics, it depends. But this one really not difficult at all. Okay? So you don't have to cheat. Okay?